This is the set of five 4-cup vessels. They're multicolored. In fact, the bodies are the ones that have color. Usually the bodies are clear and the tops are colors, and now the bodies actually have color. I'm not sure if we have a set somewhere.
Well,
okay. They're over there.
They're over here. Yeah.
I'm going to stack them up.
There you go. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So introduce us to these. I'm going to stack them up.
So what's great about your Tritan is that it is the same material that your airplane windshields are made from. So it is virtually indestructible, and it is stain proof, like Rachel mentioned. So you are going to use this for your beets, your berries, your red sauces, your curry dishes, anything that's oily and anything that stains. It can't touch Tritan.
Walk through our colors.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm holding
yes.
them. So you get the green
you get
up
a
top.
green.
Yep.
You get this really pretty blue, an orange color here, purple, and red.
Nice. You're getting all of those. Again, they're all exactly the same. 4 cups each, and each one of the lids fits on any single one.
That's right.
Right, so you don't have to worry about that at all.
They're going to fit.
When you're thinking about portion control, sides, if you're thinking about my honey eats this and I eat that, this is the perfect vessel.
Perfect. And I just want to show you this. I'm going to just...
Yeah.
Tritan, it looks like glass. It really does.
It's good looking.
It has the air and the elegance, but not the breakability that glass has. So if you drop it, no big deal. Let me show you again. That's why we love Tritan, and the fact that, of course, it is stain proof. So
this
Rachel,
is the first time we've got squares that have the color, because the color is something that we've asked for. Like, we often don't see vessels that have the color.
No, we did reverse a color here, because usually we're colored lids. So you can still see through nicely, though. That's what I like about this on the Tritan. So even when you have the color, you can still see what's in here. So here's my gnocchi in my red sauce. You know this stains, it just does, but not when you put it in the Tritan. Now, if you want to put this in the microwave, you're still going to just flip that lid and break the seal, and then go and put that in the microwave. Something else I have in here, I have my beets, and then I have some feta cheese here. So you know when you take those beets, if you use them canned, you get them fresh, they stain every single time, but not your Tritan. So your Tritan's going to come out after you wash it in the dishwasher, because it's dishwasher safe. It's going to come out beautifully. Now, here I've got, this one is, let's see, oh, what is this? Okay, so we have
meatloaf.
a little
Looks
meatloaf
like
here.
Meatloaf with some cheese on top.
So there you go, with your sauce, which is really nice. So you're able now to put that in the microwave, heat that up, but you never have to worry. But let's get to things that don't stain, right? Because not everything, you're not going to use this for everything that stains. So here I have some pasta salad, and when you go to the grocery store, you're not going to maybe eat all of this, or you will, but this is not going to keep it airtight and watertight like a LocknLock would. So I'm just going to move this forward a second, come over here and get my spoon, and just going to pour this in. Because now, when I go to eat this pasta salad, Rachel, I know it's fresh, and I know it'll be delicious.
And you know what? You can split it. You don't even have to put the whole thing in there. You have another Tritan. You can actually split that between two. We're going to divide it. My honey and me. It's $9.67. Free shipping and handling for the set of 5 of them. 5 of them are coming home to you. All the exact same size, all sharing the exact same lid, 4 cups apiece, which again, when you're thinking about portion control or sharing with somebody, and still, are these dishwasher and microwave? Tell us the 101 of LocknLock, if you would.
Dishwasher, freezer, microwave safe. These are airtight, watertight, and these are going to be BPA free, so feel safety. Heat in these and eat out of them, which is really nice. This is your meal prep, your portion control. This is that 4-cup size that is just going to be the go-to for the leftovers at night. Maybe you didn't finish all your salad today at work and you wanted to keep it, or you wanted to put the grilled chicken in here. You can do that. So many things, your sloppy joes, your mac and cheese, your meatloaf. Everything.
Well, I'm also thinking that you could color code. If you got a couple sets, maybe this is always where you keep your veg. You know, maybe this is, the blue is always where you'll find a dessert. The orange is where you're always going to find your fruit. The purple is where you're always going to find your protein. You can make your own organization system as you're getting a couple of these. I know my brother has been doing meal prep for his wife. When he goes out of town, he often just fixes things for her. When I pull open the freezer, I'm like, oh my gosh, all these are labeled and it's perfectly done, which I think is super, super lovely. $9.67. You're receiving 5 of them. Free shipping and handling, as I said. What are you using now? How is this different or special versus what someone might be using now? Because
this is made to last. So these are going to be the pieces that you pull out time and time again, and that you're going to have for a while. They're easy. We make them user-friendly, so that when you go to heat up in the microwave, just like I'm going to do now with this cobbler, I'm just going to flip that lid. But we're airtight, and the fact that we're watertight just means that we know when you get this home, your food's going to stay fresher longer, and we're going to save you money. We really are, and we're going to save you time. And that's why we've been here in our 26th year now with LocknLock. So, you know, I think it stands the test of time.
It does.
And people will tell you, oh,
1,200 sets have been
my
ordered
grief.
right now.
Okay.
It's $29. If you're thinking about, you know, how do I organize? You know, I feel like when I'm organized that I can breathe. It's like a little woosah.
I mean, declutter your home,
Yes.
declutter your mind.
Always.
I have to be organized, girl. I'm a little
Always.
type A.
Yeah, a little bit. Like, and you're like, okay,
Yeah.
well, here's my veg, here's my
Yeah.
protein, here are my fruit. Like, however you're going to do that. If you have a larger household or the smaller household, and this is your portion control, it's $9.67 on free shipping and handling. K98998 is your item number. This is like the cheapest way to like get an ohm moment that you could possibly think of. Put these in your cart and check out. If you love the Tritan, try this size. This set, first time we're seeing the squares and colors. We're gonna keep
they're
going,
adorable.
Janine.
Let's keep doing it.
Okay, so you get all 5 of them. We don't
Okay.
have time for this one, but we want to let you know it's available. This is the 9x13 divided glass baker. Wow.